Color coding of resistors. See, on the screen you are seeing a number of resistors. These are carbon resistors with certain color bands on it. Based on these color bands, we need to identify its resistance. To calculate or evaluate its resistance, we need to remember this table. So look at this table. It consists of 4 columns: color, digit, third is multiplier, and the fourth one is tolerance. See, in the first column, that is colors, it's starting from black, brown, red, orange, and so on. And the digit assigned is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Multiplier is 10 power 0 to 10 power 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 10 power 9. Whereas for gold and silver, you can observe the multiplier is 10 power minus 1 and 10 to the power minus 2. And coming to tolerance, it is generally measured in percentages. For brown, tolerance is 1. For red, it is 2. Whereas the last 3, gold, silver, 5 and 10%. If no color, none, then it is 20%. See, to remember this sequence of colors starting from black, brown and so on, we use a phrase. Look at the phrase B. Roy, all the first digits of the colors. B. Roy, R-O-Y, of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold and silver ornaments. Again I repeat, B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold and silver ornaments. So based on this phrase, you can observe that the color code starts from the darkest color, that is black, ends with the lightest color, which is white. See, there are 3 B's in the phrase B, R-O-Y, Roy of Great Britain. First B represents black, second B is brown, the next B is blue. Similarly, there are 2 G's. First G is green, the next G is grey. So remember this phrase so that you can evaluate the resistance. Let us look into one example. So this is a resistor with 4 color bands. First 2 colors are orange and orange, next is yellow, last one is gold. The first 3 colors give the value of resistance. The last color band, which is generally gold, silver, no color, will give you tolerance. So write the color codes. Orange is 3, again orange is 3, yellow 4, gold, percentage of tolerance is 5%. So now the formula for resistance or your answer of resistance is, first 2 digits are 3 and 3 into, third one is a multiplier, that is 10 power 4 plus or minus 5%. So the resistance of this resistor is 33 into 10 to the power 4 ohms with tolerance plus or minus 5%. Let's look into one more example. Now this is a resistor with 3 color bands. That means 4th color is absent. If 4th color is absent, it is taken as tolerance 20%. So the color code for green it is 5, brown 1 and blue is 6. Now you write the resistance. 5 and 1 are first 2 digits into 10 power 6 plus or minus 20%. And in few cases, a 4-band resistor may have last 2 color bands as gold and gold. If there are 2 golds, the last gold is taken as tolerance. The before one is a multiplier. The multiplier for gold is 10 to the power minus 1. Look at this example. This is a 5-band resistor. If instead of 4, if you have 5 bands, see, you are observing the first 4 bands are together, the last band is little far away. The one which is far away will represent tolerance. The first 3 color codes are for the first 3 digits. 4th one is a multiplier. See, in this example, it is orange, white and black. First write their color codes 3, 3, 9 and 0. Brown has a tolerance 1%. So its resistance would be 339 into 10 to the power 0, that is 339 ohms with plus or minus 1% tolerance. This is how we can decode a resistor based on the colored circles written on it. And we call this as color coding of resistors.